Davis Associates Church Accounting and Clergy Tax Seminar. The purpose of this seminar is to educate you on clergy tax laws in order to minimize clergy taxes.
But I've been charged with the duty of teaching his people, his leaders, his pastors, his shepherds, how to properly manage his money. I'm charged with this tremendous task of teaching you something new today, something that you didn't know before, something that will help save you or your pastor or your church some money on taxes, to streamline the church accounting and finance functions, and to help you become a better steward over God's money. It's not your money, it's for real, it's God's money. With the financial reporting, going to show you kind of what the bank looks for when they ask you for your financial statements. Of course, we work with a lot of churches and we have to pull financial statements together for our clients. And we've actually had bankers to come to us on behalf of the church and ask, can you please fix this for the church? Because they want to give you money, but the information that they were given, they couldn't justify giving the money because the financials weren't correct. Accounting for contributions. For the most part, churches do this very well. There's one big issue that I'm seeing, and I don't understand, I'm seeing this more and more now, where we're falling short, and there's a big law case that was settled this past year on the contribution, actually a couple years ago, on the contributions. I want to make sure you guys are privy to that and you understand exactly how that needs to be done. We're also going to talk about gifts and my favorite topic, love offering. Worker classification. Is the person a W-2? Is the person a 1099? Well, of course, if we put everybody on a 1099, because then we don't have to worry about taxes. But we do want to make sure we are in compliance with the IRS tax law. This healthcare tax credit. I want to make sure you all are aware that many of your churches may be eligible for this tax credit and you're not even aware of it. Housing allowance. This is the single biggest, best tax advantage for members of the clergy. I'm going to explain to you what it is, how you need to set it up, what qualifies, what doesn't qualify.
We also cover church accounting and payroll, IRS approved tax strategies, tax and legal issues faced by the clergy, protecting God's money, internal control for churches, audits of churches and clergy, board members, trustees, personal liability over church affairs, Social Security benefits and the clergy, finances and the pastor's wife, biblical principles for wealth,